Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. This is Pamela, and you are watching Pam Entertainment TV, where we review movies, television series, and incidents in pop culture to see how those incidents affect our daily lives. Listen, I am coming up here. It was quicker to make a live video than it was for me to record a video. So, wanted to come up really quick to go over. We've got some news in regards to Mr. Jonathan Majors. Let me pull up. Here we go. So Jonathan Majors receives trial date, and he makes his court appearance. This is from the Hollywood Reporter. He has an August 3rd court date. I'm gonna put on my glasses, child, because I can't see. He has an August 3rd court date. Let's see if we can make this bigger. Here we go. He appeared in court in person in New York criminal court today. They said that the court hearing didn't last that long. He entered the courtroom wearing sunglasses and carrying that damn cup. He also was flanked by his current girlfriend, Megan Good. He entered his plea of not guilty, I believe, or they just set the court date. Um, his attorney continues to talk that he has not done anything wrong. They have presented more evidence. So the publications that I am pulling from is going to be the Hollywood Reporter, Deadline, Variety, and People Magazine. Let's see if they will allow me to pull up People. Let's see. All right, let's get up to People. It says here Jonathan Majors was supported by his girlfriend Megan Good at a court appearance amid assault charges. Megan looks good. Someone needs to get hold to Jonathan and tell him to press those suits because this is outrageous that these suits be this ill fitting. I need for Megan to take him shopping. So here we go. They are flanked. I wanted to see if there was anything else. I guess this is him in the courtroom smiling. This is him, his attorney, and Megan leaving the courtroom. I know on Twitter there is some video showing them leaving, but we're not going to go too far into this. Like I said, I just wanted to pop on here really, 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 really quick and go over what we see at this moment. We're gonna go to Variety because Variety is always, share screen. Let's go to the Variety. Alright, let's see what Variety has for us. Probably pretty much the same thing. Yes, he's going to trial on domestic violence charges. The embattled, actor appeared in person in a Lower Manhattan courtroom on Tuesday morning for his first time on the ongoing assault case. So they have set it for August 3rd. He entered the courtroom at 9:15 wearing sunglasses and a dark brown suit. His girlfriend Megan Good was also in attendance. Major removed his eyewear before approaching the bench before a status conference, which lasted about 3 minutes. So he didn't even stay in the court that long. So they just then go to when he was arrested. Says here his criminal defense lawyer, Priya Chaudhry, issued a statement after Tuesday's court appearance saying that her team has delivered evidence to the district attorney proving Grace Jabari assault on Jonathan Majors and not the other way around. We strongly requested the district attorney dismiss all charges against Mr. Majors immediately and initiate proceedings against Ms. Jabari, holding her accountable for her crimes. Chaudhry wrote, while we are hopeful for the district attorney is reviewing these materials in good faith. We will do the right thing soon to accelerate our case. We are requesting a trial date ASAP. So they request the trial date. What I don't understand is if they believe that Mr. Bari has assaulted their client, why have they not gone to the police and filed a report against Mr. Bari for this case? A countersuit. I don't understand. Can they do that? I know you can do that, but will that impact the case or not? Because that doesn't make any sense. So they go back and give us some history on the court. Let's see. Here we go. Let me go back. So let's see if we could. We've got one more article to go through. We did variety. All right, here we go. All right, so this is Yahoo. On the heels of his August trial date, within a few weeks of these allegations, we provided the district attorney with evidence of Mr. Major's innocence. Last week, we delivered additional compelling evidence to the district attorney, clearly proving Grace Gabari's assault on Mr. Jonathan Majors and not the other way around, Attorney Priyachaudhry said in a statement provided. The evidence includes videos of Miss Jabari's frenzied attack, so they do have that attack on record. Uh, and Mr. Majors running away from her. The statement included we also provided photographs illustrating the injuries she inflicted on Mr. Majors and photos of his clothing torn as a direct consequence of Mr. Bari's actions. So that's what they're saying that they gave to the district attorney office. So apparently it wasn't enough for them. The district attorney definitely must have something uh, besides all the information that Miss Chaudhry said. But what's interesting and new is that they provided the evidence, video evidence of Mr. Bari attacking Mr. Majors in the cab. Because you remember, when was it, this last court hearing, initially they said that the whole incident happened in the cab, and then once evidence showed that that's not, she's saying that once they got out of the cab, that's when the incident happened. So I'm wondering, do they have camera footage of everything that happened uh in regards to all of that? I'm curious, but we will know August 3rd because he is going to trial for that. So tell me what you all think. Like I said, it was easier for me to come up and do this live broadcast than it would have been for me to try to record. All right, we do this every week. Thank you all so much. Let me stop sharing. What do y'all think so far? Because, like I said, there's something happened in that cab. We don't know what happened, uh, but we are about to find out. Um, I would say this, Mr. Majors. I do not see any of your existing gigs waiting for you. So you're going to have an August trial date. I know that Marvel has been holding out this Loki, um, holding out Loki until I think it's October. So we're going to see Secret Invasions, and then we're going to have Loki to come out. So that's going to be in October. So your fate should be sealed. I don't see that trial lasting more than 1 or 2 days. So your fate should be sealed by the time that Secret Invasions is over. Found guilty, you just gonna have to go back to the house. If you are found innocent or they dismiss the charges, um, I would tell you to get out of New York, go to Los Angeles, and live your life. All right. So, if any more updates come on this case, I'll definitely come back on and talk to you all about them. All right. We do this every week. Please subscribe. Just hit that subscribe button. And once you subscribe, you'll be open to a plethora of videos and movies and television series that I have reviewed. All right, people. And as always, bye bye.